drone sprayer vs UGV sprayer, which is better for orchard? We come to a citrus garden in Guangxi. To visualize the spraying result on leaves, on the top, middle, and bottom of the tree, we put water-sensitive papers. We operate a drone sprayer in Section A, an LG Tech S450 autonomous sprayer in Section B. On the top, both results show even and fine droplets. In the middle, the results from S450 UGV show a trend of enhanced effectiveness. But at the bottom, the drone results are less favorable. Drone sprays from top to bottom, and is easily affected by wind, thus being less penetrative. For citrus trees, pests such as red spider mites and leaf rollers typically hide on the underside of leaves. If the undersides of the leaves are not treated, it can lead to pest outbreaks. LG Tech autonomous sprayer sprays from bottom to top, exerting immense pressure on the canopy, initially targeting the undersides of leaves to eliminate hiding places for pests. Therefore, in the field of orchard pest control, unmanned ground sprayer demonstrates outstanding performance.